Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find upload contacts settings on your account on Messenger on account center, easy and quick. First click on the three lines, now click settings, and now click personal details, now click your information and permissions, and here you'll find it. You'll find upload contact settings, and here as you see you can manage it as you want, and that's it. That's how to find upload contact settings on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.